How's everyone doing today? Welcome to Dave's World. This video is going to be a little bit different than everyone's used to seeing. Anybody who follows me knows that I'm pretty much going through a lot of medical problems right now, and my wife Geraldine has actually been taking over doing a lot of things to help me. This is awesome. I actually thought she would be fighting with me, but she understood the importance of the Super CRUZES website and the importance of Dave's World and literally quit her job to take over everything. So the cool thing about this video is on the website you can buy ported intake manifolds. She literally filmed her own video from beginning to end. She sets up a ported intake manifold. She installs the PCV 2.1 kit, I think it's called. And she basically just explains everything. And I am actually really excited that she did that. She's a little nervous. She actually filmed a couple videos and she's getting better as she goes along. So please do me a favor, comment below on this video and let her know what you think of everything, because the more she hears that she's doing a good job, the more she'll enjoy doing this for everyone. She loves the cruise community. She knows how much the cruise community needs supporting companies. So she's been literally killing it with Super CRUZES orders and just getting parts out. This is awesome. As far as me, I have good days and bad days, and unfortunately there's a lot of bad days where sometimes I'm just pretty much in bed for hours because my back is in so much pain. So she's literally just been doing everything to help everyone, and that is the greatest gift I could ever ask for. Being injured and being hurt like I am is incredibly stressful, especially when there's simple things like, my kids come to me and say they want to use their quad. Well, one day I might be able to get it running, and then maybe another day if they want to use it, I can't because my back is in so much pain. I can't get the thing running, and I feel so bad for my family. But my family has been very supportive. They're supporting me and they're supporting you guys. So please comment below, let her know what you guys think, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Oh, by the way, Geraldine painted the Corvette, by the way. Well, it's not actually painted, it's primered and it's ready for paint. She did everything and I think it came out awesome. This is amazing. She didn't want to film doing it, but I think she did a fantastic job. I absolutely love the way the car came out. Comment below on what you guys think. The reason I'm letting you know about the Corvette is because you pretty much saw that car being built for a couple of years, and she saw how miserable I was and wanted to cheer me up, and she did a fantastic job. I am so excited. So thanks again, everyone. Again, comment below, and I will talk to you later.
Are you excited to find one-of-a-kind parts for your Chevy Cruze? Visit supercruzes.com to make your ride even better. Hi, this is Geraldine with supercruzes.com. Welcome to the Dave's World YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be working on a ported intake manifold for a Gen 1 Cruze, which can be purchased on supercruzes.com. However, this customer asked me to install the PCV fix into the intake manifold, and I wanted to show everyone how I set these up. All these intake manifolds from the factories have a problem. There's a little orange plug inside this hole that goes bad. The first thing I like to do is snap off the tip of the plug with a pair of long pliers. Is take this screw, put it on the top of this long screwdriver, and fit it into the hole to pop the plug out on the other side. After I screw the screw in, it will pop the plug and it'll come right out. Now what you have to do is take the screw back out because we have another step. The next thing you have to do is mix the JB weld. The next part is mixing the JB weld. What you're going to need is this screw and this washer, and the mixed JB weld is going to be put on the threaded part of the screw. Okay, then you want to take the screw, put the washer on it first. You're going to want to hold the screw here and get the JB Weld on the threaded part. Okay, you gotta take the screw, put it back at the end of the screwdriver, and we're gonna put it back in the hole that we popped out the plug from. So I'm trying to feel to get the screw into the hole, and then I'm gonna tighten it. You can see the screws installed now. The next thing I have to do is install these pieces on the intake manifold. I have to drill a hole, and I'll show you where. I'm gonna make a mark so I know where to drill. The hole is drilled, but there's a lot of plastic that came off of the intake, so what I need to do is go around and clean it all out. The next step is taking this washer and placing it here, taking this nut and placing it inside, and this screw and placing it here. So this nut was a little too big for that hole. Luckily, I had tools at my disposal to be able to grind it down so it fit better. The next thing we have to do is put Teflon tape on the threads of these two fittings. This is Teflon tape, and the point of it is to prevent leaking. The next thing I need to look out for is this check valve. This arrow needs to be pointing in this direction. The next part is getting this hose on this fitting. So at this time, I'm finished with everything I can do with the installation of the PCV fix. The reason why I can't complete anymore and install the rest of these parts is because the customer needs to use parts from his own car to complete it. Black Widow's going to be getting one of these intake manifolds. I wanted to show you how I set them up so you could get power out of your car too. I hope everybody likes the Super CRUZES videos I'm making for the Dave's World YouTube channel. Comment below if you like this video series. Members, keep checking for more videos that I plan on posting, and have a nice day.